How to log into ADP Workforce Now Employee Portal account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video presentation, I'm going to show you on how can you log into your ADP Workforce Employee Portal account. So let's dive right into the steps. First of all, you have to open any web browser and search for workforce.adp.com and hit enter in your keyboard. Once on the web page, locate the login portal and in the designated box, enter your user ID. If you wish to remember your user ID, tick the Remember User ID option over here. However, only do so on a private or a personal device. For public computers, leave this option unchecked. If you have forgotten your user ID, you can retrieve it by simply clicking on the Forgot User ID option over here, which is highlighted in blue color. Provide some necessary details, begin by inputting your first and last name. You can then opt for either your email or phone number. Enter your preferred option and proceed by selecting Next. Thereafter, follow further instructions to regain access to your user ID. Once recovered, return to the login portal, click on the Next button and enter your password. On the subsequent page, provide either your mobile number or email address. Choose one, click on Next, and follow additional steps to reset your password. After this page, enter your registration code first and proceed to input your identity information. Then provide your contact details to finalize the account creation process. And that concludes this video. So this was all about how you can easily log into the ADP Workforce Now Employee Portal account. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials.